Wait, let me make
Alrighty guys, we're here at 703 Main, here in Rapid City, South Dakota. Let's see if this building's open. Ugh. It is open.
And what a pain in the ass to get in.
It is. And in here we have an elevator. This building is a pain in the ass in general to get in here. And here's the elevator. I wish I literally saw that from the street. We have something generic. I think it might be MEI. Or could be a Schumacher all around here. Sounds disgusting. Interesting. It's an MEI. That kind of sounds interesting. And door closed window works. Basement's locked. But let's go to listen to the motor. Yeah, that's MEI. That sounds disgusting. Epico. I mean, that's... Epico WN signature buttons. Ew. I want to send this upshot now. Yeah, I'm alright, because... It's a nice one. Pretty nice. Anyway, those are your buttons there. Upco, whatever those buttons are. That's your flow indicator. Very interesting MEI install. Yeah, you can literally see the street out here. And let's watch the doors close. And there it goes, the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.